What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to That Throttle. Today I want to ask you guys for your opinion on this old Jeep. It is a 1995 Jeep Wrangler SE. It is the last year of its kind. This is the last year they made, but the frame has finally rusted. My question to you is it worth? I've been quoted $4,700 and some odd dollars for labor only to replace the frame as well as the leaf springs and including the shocks. So I'd have to pay for the frame. The frame is close to $3,000. Or the option is I can attempt to do it myself. I'm not a mechanic, but I do turn my own wrenches. I work on my own bikes. Is, do you guys think it's something I can do, or something that anyone could tackle, as long as you have access to a garage?